Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you what to do if you can't connect the Bluetooth to your Samsung S25 Edge. So, we're going to open the Bluetooth, and as you can see, I can't connect. So, we're going to disable the Bluetooth and enable it again. Then do the same thing with flight mode. Enable, wait a couple of seconds, and then disable. If it's not working, then go to Bluetooth and unpair with the device, and then just wait because I need to open the Bluetooth on the other device. Just try to connect once again. Then the last thing that you can do is maybe not last thing, you can restart the Bluetooth and device and this phone. And the last thing, go to settings, software update, and download and install the software update. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.